What's up, Long Beach? I'm Tyler McQuarrie. This is the GoPro course preview. We'll take off in first gear, grab second gear, up to third gear, fourth gear, grab a little handbrake, initiate into the first corner, back on the power hard, out to the first touch and go. I flick it back under the bridge to the first outer zone, back on the power hard, fourth gear, letting it come all the way out in front of the judges, getting ready to set up for the hairpin, on the handbrake, down to third, getting down to my first inner clipping point, back on the power hard. And that is the GoPro course preview.